Oh.
Boy, that bitch is age, fucking lip fit.
Yeah, he's visiting him quite a bit now too.
My dentist found out that I was doing piercings and stuff.
Yeah.
Nothing with the tongue to the lip, right? I'm doing what people have, except for the tongue. Or it will go away. Ain't going there either.
I suppose it's another thing in the way for them.
Yep. Yeah, they don't like that shit. It's funny.
Yep. Yep. They're getting paid.
Yeah, they get paid weekly.
Are you watching what you're videotaping?
No.
I didn't think so.
Take a deep breath. And exhale.
How was it? It was alright? I've seen you go grab the... Shit, that looks badass. Just leave them things hanging.
Leave the new one.
Brittany'd like that. I said Brittany'd like that. Big old needle hanging on it. That looks badass already, Ty. That's only one of them.
Yeah, lip piercing is probably the best.
Yeah.
That's my favorite that I've got.
Alright, I'm gonna spin you around that way.
I guess all things considering, it's probably one of the least painful I've had.
Yeah. Move your feet, Ty.
I had my leg here stretched up as big as this one. I'm at an inch in this one. And when I stretched up, it like flew out. It got infected real bad. So I pulled it out and it flowed right up to that. Like to nothing. And I got it re-pierced a couple weeks ago. Now I'm just waiting on tape to go back up.
It actually was
It
opened
was
up.
this big.
And it closed right back.
It closed all the way to that. That was pain right there.
That's good though.
Getting that pulled out of there. Oh my god, that hurt.
Alright, take a deep breath. And exhale.
Why do you squint so much?
Upset his body always. Yeah.
True.
I suppose everything. That looks badass already.
I'd get a pair of spikes to go on there. Some little quarter-inch spikes. Those are weird.
Balls.
What do you think?
Keep them like that or you want to move them?
Yeah, that looks good. You're getting puffy already?
Yep. Yeah, it doesn't take long.
No.
Doesn't take long at all.
What do you think?